Hi everyone and welcome to Fireship.ai, the AI agent that controls all of your social media and manages the marketing for your business. Now in this video I want to show you how you can use Fireship.ai, so let's just click create campaign and go to the onboarding process. Here's where we just give a name to our campaign, give it our URL, click let's go. And this is where the agent actually goes to your website, scans your website and builds a basic profile to generate some basic content that you might want to use in the future. So let's give it a couple of seconds. Great, so now it scanned our website, and for the agent to be actually have the ability to be able to post on your behalf, we need to actually connect some social media accounts. So just for an example, let's connect our Facebook account. Let's click reconnect if you've already connected in the past, or just connect. And great, there we go. Our Facebook account is connected. Now it's important to say that you need a Facebook page. Okay, so keep that in mind. Create a Facebook page for your store, for your business, or for your product. Here we can keep on going, connecting more social accounts. It doesn't matter if you connect like 5 Facebook accounts, 5 Instagram accounts, in whatever order you want, it does not matter. And here you can see very quickly the agent, based on our website, created some basic posts. So if we are an AI marketing agent, you can see here, boost your brand's reach and engagement with AI-powered social media management. So very fitting content based on the product or on the URL we gave it. Let's click continue. And here you can actually see the instruction video that we are recording right now. Great, I'm ready to start, and let's go to the campaign page. Here you can see the posts we just created, or that the agent just created. And since it's a lot of posts and it's annoying to scroll through them, we can just click here on the grid icon to get a better overview. Great. Now to very quickly edit them, if you want to make some changes, you can just click here. Hi from Fireship. Love this. Nice. Okay. So that's how you can change the text very easily, very quickly. Also change the description in our reels. Hi everyone. #love. Great. So how can we actually change the content? Let's say we want to upload our own video, our own image, or generate some AI images or use some stock footage. Let's click on the camera icon over here. We can upload our own video or go to stock videos. Let's type AI, since our website is AI related. And I can see I have something cool over here. Let's click that. Nice. Here we have an amazing high quality 4K reel with some text rendered on top and a nice description. Very easy. Let's do the same thing for our image, because there's no reason we need 2 posts with the same image. Let's click the image over here and we can upload our own image, AI generated, or use some stock photo. Now let's type nature. We love nature. So let's select this beautiful tree, flower, something green and nice looking. So that's how you can very easily switch between images, videos, whatever you want. Click here to delete a post. We can select multiple posts and actually perform some bulk actions. We can click the drop down right here, and let's say we just added, I don't know, a Reddit account or an Instagram account. We want to change these posts to use a different account. We can click change and select whatever account you want to post them on. Now, this is all very nice and still very fast, a lot faster than the regular manual ways. But let's close down the sidebar here and let's see what our agent can do. Let's say we want to take these 2 posts and let's say schedule them for tomorrow and the next at 8. Okay, you can see it actually is talking about multiple posts here, because we had multiple posts selected, I think around 4 or 5. So let's see what it will do. Okay, let's give it some time to update the status. Great. So we can see some posts over here disappeared. Okay, we only have 3 posts left. The rest is all scheduled for the next coming days. If you want to see on which days exactly, you can just go to the calendar, and you can see here some posts are scheduled. Great, very nice. Now let's say we don't like these posts, we can just select all, we can delete them if we want. Very nice. So there's so much more coming up and so much more abilities being added, and the agent is being updated each and every day. So keep an eye out. One more thing I want to show you before we go. After you've scheduled and posted a lot of posts, you of course also want to check out your analytics. Now you don't have to do this, the agent does this by itself to see what posts get better reach, and it actually learns to what to generate and what to create in the future to get as much outreach as possible. But it's always nice to see how much reach you get and how much your account starts growing. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next.